kidney beans, tomato, coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most nutritious of the kidney beans recipes. Today we are going to make kidney bean coconut milk stew. The ingredients are around 150 grams of kidney beans soaked in water overnight, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 3 red chillies, 1 onion cut into pieces, 5 to 6 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml oil. Now put in the fennel seeds. Put in the red chilies. Salt. Keep on sauteing until the aroma from the fennel seeds comes out. Now put in the ginger and garlic. And the shallots. Salt. and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Keep on mixing. Put in the kidney beans which have been soaked in water. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute and mix. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly saute and mix the kidney beans with the rest of the mixture. Saute and mix so that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated into each other. Now pour in 250 ml of mashing. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix the coconut milk with the rest of the mixture and let the mixture cook for 30 to 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, now the kidney beans, tomato, coconut milk stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final kidney beans, tomato, coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the kidney beans recipes and one of the most nutritious of the coconut milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.